Hello, future virtual volunteer. I'm really excited that you're checking this out, and I hope we can partner with you in Project Elpis. This is really my dream to be a partnership between you and a cooperating teacher somewhere in the United States, maybe the world, who knows, where you get a relationship with that teacher and you guys really tailor your videos to what is needed in the classroom, whatever subject it might be. In the questionnaire that you can take here on this page, there's a special spot for you to put some of your interests if you have a specific subject you're interested in. But it's really going to be about you being a constant presence virtually in a classroom for kiddos to get to know someone that is different than them and just see how much we're alike. And with your cooperating teacher, they'll have ideas of ways to incorporate you in the different topics that they're studying. It might be in their reading class with a book or a writing assignment, or it might be in a science class with an experiment or sharing a math problem. That wouldn't be my top pick, as I'm not a math-minded person. I'm a language arts and social studies teacher. But it's really to build relationships with that teacher and with students in a way that is going to allow your personality and your strengths and your awesomeness to shine in the classroom. So I really hope you read more here about Project Elpis and you'll take that questionnaire, and hopefully we can partner with you.